If you are not yet familiar with Grok, you're in the right place. Grok is an AI assistant created by xAI, the company founded by Elon Musk. Like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini, you communicate with it using everyday language. You can ask Grok questions, have conversations, get help writing something, research a subject, brainstorm ideas, or ask it to explain something you don't understand. As the conversation continues, you can ask follow-up questions, change your request, or ask Grok to explain something in a different way. Because everything is handled through normal conversation, you don't need any technical knowledge to get started. One thing that made Grok stand out early was its close connection with X, formerly known as Twitter. Grok can search information from both the web and X, making it useful when you want information about something happening right now. You might use it to research a breaking news story, a new technology announcement, or a topic people are currently discussing online. When sources are available, Grok can show you where some of that information came from so you can examine it yourself. But Grok has grown into much more than an assistant connected to X. You can use Grok through its website or its mobile apps without browsing X at all. Grok is free to try, while paid plans provide higher usage limits and additional capabilities. Your conversations can stay synchronized between the web and mobile apps when you are signed in. Beyond the questions and conversations you might expect from an AI assistant, Grok can work with much more than just ordinary text. You can upload things such as documents, PDFs, images, spreadsheets, and other files and ask Grok to summarize, explain, compare, or analyze them. It can examine screenshots and photographs, while Grok Imagine can create and edit images and generate videos from your instructions. These capabilities make Grok useful for both understanding existing information and creating new content. Grok can remember certain information across conversations to make future chats more personalized. For people who want to go beyond everyday questions, it includes deeper research and reasoning features designed for more involved tasks. Grok Build expands those capabilities further by creating things such as simple websites, apps, games, and interactive dashboards from a description. Beginners can ignore these advanced features at first and simply explore them later if they become useful. So how is Grok different from ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini? All four are general-purpose AI assistants, and there is considerable overlap in what they can do. They answer questions, help with writing and research, analyze information, create content, and work through problems with you. The differences are often found in their individual features, the services they connect with, and how each company designs the experience. One of Grok's most recognizable differences is its connection with X and its focus on current information from the web. That can be useful for rapidly changing subjects, trends, breaking stories, and public conversations. However, having access to current information does not automatically mean every answer will be accurate. Information Grok finds online can sometimes be incomplete, misleading, outdated, or wrong. This leads us back to one of the most important things beginners should understand about Grok. Like we've discussed with other AI assistants, Grok can make mistakes, misunderstand your question, or confidently provide incorrect information. When accuracy really matters, such as medical, legal, financial, or other high-stake decisions, it is always important to check the sources and verify important claims for yourself. You don't have to choose one AI assistant and use it for everything. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Grok are different tools, and you may eventually prefer one for certain tasks and another for something else. The easiest way to understand those differences is to experiment with them using the kinds of questions and tasks that actually matter to you. Starting with something simple and continuing with follow-up questions can quickly show you whether Grok fits the way you like to use AI. Grok is another example of how quickly AI assistants are expanding beyond simple question and answer chatbots. They can now search, analyze files, create content, work with images, communicate by voice, and help people accomplish increasingly complex tasks. Understanding everything about Grok before you begin using it isn't necessary because you can learn different features gradually as you need them. The simplest way to begin is to think of something you want help understanding or accomplishing, and start the conversation from there. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Life in AI for more practical, real-world insights on how artificial intelligence is changing everyday life. Thank you for watching.